In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert voice to text with Otter.ai app. Whether you've recorded a meeting, a lecture, or a voice memo, by the end you'll have a clean transcript you can read, search, and share. First, open your browser and go to Otter.ai. This takes you to the Otter homepage where you manage and create transcripts. Give the page a second to load so everything in the top navigation appears. Next, look to the top right and click Import. Import is the quickest way to turn an existing audio or video file into text. Think of it as dropping your file off for Otter to transcribe in the background while you continue working. You'll now see the upload panel. If your file is already handy on your desktop or in a folder, you can simply drag it onto the window and drop it. That gesture begins the upload immediately. Drag and drop is great when you've just exported a recording and want 0 clicks. Most common audio and video formats are supported, and better audio quality will always yield a more accurate transcript. Prefer a file picker? In the same panel, click Browse Files. Your computer's file browser opens so you can navigate to the exact location of your recording. This is helpful if the file is tucked away in a project folder or you want to confirm the file name before uploading. Now, choose the voice file you want to transcribe, click it once to highlight it, and select Open. You'll see Otter begin receiving the file. Larger files or slower connections can take a bit longer. Just keep the tab active until the upload completes. Clear, single-speaker audio usually processes faster and more accurately than noisy, multi-speaker recordings. When the upload finishes, click Go to Transcript. Otter takes you straight to the transcript view. Processing may continue for a moment, and then the text appears, aligned to the audio. An audio player appears so you can follow along and skim for key points. You'll notice timestamps and smart formatting that make it easy to review. That's the whole workflow. Go to Otter, hit Import, add your file by dragging it in or browsing to it, choose the recording, and then jump to the finished transcript. With this simple flow, you can turn your voice into searchable text in just a few clicks.